Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I'm going to show you yet another fingerless gloves tutorial, and if you want to see all my other fingerless gloves, then go ahead and check out the playlist on my channel page. So today I want to show you how to crochet these really nice and warm fingerless gloves. They are very easy to do. It's just half double crochet back and forth, then do this edge, and finally sew them together at the end. They look like this on the inside. They are so nice and comfortable. I will go forward very slowly and explain everything I'm doing so you can follow even if you're a beginner. Let's begin. First, a little about the materials. I've used this Easy Care Cotton Merino Classic. It's from Mayflower. You can see the logo right here. And then all the information if you want to find something similar for this yarn. I will write down in the description how much yarn you will need for this project. And then I've used a 4mm crochet hook, and then some scissors, and finally a tapestry needle to weave in the ends. We begin with a slip knot. So first you make a loop, then you take the long end of the yarn behind the loop, grab it from the middle with your hook, and pull. Then we create a chain, so yarn over, pull through. And we keep chaining until we have 36 chains in total. So this is 3, 4, 5. Just keep doing this until you have 36 chains. When you have 36 chains, we will now begin crocheting into these chains. So you count 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3 chains, and then you'll do 1 half double crochet into this 3rd chain. So you yarn over, and then you insert the hook in this 3rd chain. Then you have 3 loops on your hook. Then you yarn over and pull through. And then you yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's 1 half double crochet. Then you find your next chain on the bottom right here, and you will do a half double crochet into this. So you yarn over, then you insert the hook into this next chain, yarn over and pull through. Then you have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Then you have 2 half double crochet. Then you find your next chain on the bottom right here, do a half double crochet into this, so yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Keep doing 1 half double crochet in every chain all the way across. When you're all the way at the end, your first row looks like this. You chained up 36 and you skipped the first 2, so you should have 34 stitches when you're all the way across. So that's row 1, and let's begin row 2. We begin with a chain 2, so yarn over and pull through twice, so you have 2 chains. Then you turn, and then we will keep working in half double crochet. So you will skip your 2 turning chains, and in the 3rd stitch you will do a half double crochet. So you yarn over, you count 3 stitches, and then you insert the hook through the 3rd stitch. Then yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Then in the next stitch you will do a half double crochet as well. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Keep doing 1 half double crochet all the way across. When you make it all the way across, make sure that you got 34 stitches. Then you chain 2 and then turn the work. And then just repeat row 2, this row 2, until you have 21 rows. So this is the first row, this is the second. Do 1 half double crochet in every stitch until you have 21 rows. Or instead of doing 21 rows, you can continue until it reaches around your wrist. I will give you my measurements. This is about 20 centimeters tall and 18 centimeters wide. You can just do a few more rows if you want it wider. So Now we are pretty much finished with the base, so I will cut this brown yarn, leaving a bit of a tail because we want to sew all the way up along the edge. So leave some and then cut the yarn and then pull the yarn through this loop. Now we want to make this little white edge. So find your white yarn. Whoops. And then you attach the yarn at the corner. So insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through, and then I will just tie a little knot right here. Grab the yarn, pull up a loop, chain 1, and we are ready to go. Then I will do 1 single crochet along the edge, so along the top of the glove, and I will do 1 on the bottom as well. So we will do this next part at the bottom as well. So now I will do 1 single crochet in every stitch. So I just push in the hook and then yarn over and pull through. Just insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. Then you find your next stitch, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. I will do 2 single crochet for every row. So there you have a row. So I will do 1 single crochet into this gap and 1 single crochet into this. So 2 single crochet for every row. Just insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Keep doing this all the way across. When you make it all the way across, you cut the yarn and then you rotate and do exactly the same on the bottom as well. When you're done with the white edge on both ends, you will now break the yarn and then pull through the loop. Then you'll find your tapestry needle, and weave in this end on the back side. Then when you've weaved in this end, we will now sew them together. So you find your long tail with the brown yarn and you thread this, and we will now sew it up all along the edge. And you have your front facing up, and then you will fold it on the middle so you have the wrong side facing out, and then we will sew all along the edge of these 2 layers. Remember, we have to leave a gap for the thumb. So I will just do the whip stitch. So just insert the needle from one side and pull. And then through both layers and pull. Then again, pull. You will sew for 4 centimeters. And this is the top right here. So we will sew all the way down 4 centimeters. I think we're there. I will just check it. Yes. 4 centimeters. Then I'll just do a couple of whips, around, just to make it a little bit more strong right here. And then I will weave in this end through some stitches. And that's it. Then I cut the yarn. And then I leave a gap right here for 5 centimeters. All the way down here. Then I will attach the yarn down here. And then I will sew from here and all the way down to here. So leave a gap for 5 centimeters up here. Then when you're all the way at the other end, you will weave in this end through some stitches back and forth, and then you cut the yarn. And you have the wrong side facing out, so you will turn this around, and You have the right side facing out. Then we can put it on along with the other one you just made. And then you have your gloves. They are so pretty. So, I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!